guys, welcome to this new video. It's a little bit special today. It's kind of similar to a Kickstarter review that I used to do in the past. We're gonna talk about the Kano system. It's a computer kit that you can build yourself. I originally bought this kit about 2 years ago. That was for a kid that I wanted her to learn about computers and stuff. Long story short, that was the kid of my girlfriend, and we got separated. But now we have this, and I thought that maybe I should share that with you. And as you can see, there's multiple kits. So we have the screen, the computer itself, and this I do not even remember what it is. But let's go ahead and open the first box. Nice. Oh, that's looking good already. So what the kit is really, it's a mini computer that you have to build yourself, and the computer system inside is here to teach you to program. So I thought that's for kids that would be very nice. There's some stickers inside. We have a thank you note, and we have a booklet to explain how to make the computer. I'm guessing, yes, that's what it is, with nice drawing. So as you can see, it seems really kid friendly, like the drawing and everything. The explanation should be very simple. So if you feel like you want to teach your kids about computers, I think that's a good way to go. We have something that kind of looks like a Raspberry Pi here. Look at that. I think that's what it is. I don't remember the Kickstarter page exactly, but I think it was based on a microcomputer system, and it might be, yes, there's the logo in there. It's based on a Raspberry Pi, so that's cool. Oh, I'm wondering which one it is. If I don't use it for that computer, I might use it for something completely different. We have here something that looks like a speaker. That's just a block to charge or to connect to a computer, to power, SD card, and I think that sits in this box. So let's go ahead and try maybe to plug this around. So this is your main computer. This is the brain, and you have the SD card here. I recommend you to take the card from this, and I guess to put it in your Raspberry Pi. Where's the SD card reader? Oh, it's in the back. It's an 8 gig memory card, if you're wondering. So now let's make the case. So I think it should be really straightforward. You just slide that in there, and that's in your other side. Make sure it connects well. Boom. You have a nice case now. It's like the instruction is very simple, and it's very kid friendly. As long as they don't play with a hammer with it, you should be good. And it goes on. I think next is the speaker. So we're gonna need to connect the audio from the board. So if I hold the board like this, there are these 2 pins there. And boom. Very simple. I think we should just close the lid now. Yeah, all the instructions were very like step by step, like very slow. But that's cool. I mean, like I said, I think it's mostly oriented for kids. Okay, close the lid. You have that thingy here, and you can connect it back here. So the first cables was for the power, to power the speaker, and this one is just to connect the speaker itself, so we have some sound. Wow, that's a nice box. Huh, I could make game system with that. Amazing, everything is working. We have some fact as well. Sound travel at 762 miles per hour. You also have the metric system. This is nice. I mean, for kids, I would love to have that as a kid. Wow. So next, connect the screen. We didn't open the screen yet. So HDMI, of course. Cable going here. The cable is quite long. Find a display. Oh, they don't consider that you got the screen display. They consider that you might plug it to anything, any screen possible. So should I build the screen system first? Although there's almost nothing in there. Let me remove everything from the box. The paper as well. The boxes are very nice too. I mean, and if everything is easily plug and play, I mean, you can put it back and maybe give it away to another kid. But I like the magnetic lid here and the art box. It's really nice. So that screen is looking like that. It's not small. And we have that in the back. And again, wow, with the Raspberry Pi and the screen, I can build a game system. So let's remove this to start with. And we have a big instruction. So let's do that in parallel in the same time then. So they explain you all works. Oh, they explain you all work screens, like all screens. That's very nice. Like I said, for kids, guys, for kids. Oh, that's a great gift for a kid that has a small interest in computers. Wow. They explain everything in there. The old screen from the 60s. And then how to put your screen up together. So we have another board. So it's just a screen, display. How do you call that again? It's to transfer the information, but I don't remember what it's called. Anyway. So we have the HDMI in there. Do we have to connect anything else? Like we have this back too. It probably goes like that. But what do we need to do? They explain everything, every part of the chip. Grab the plastic cover for the screen, which is here. Put it on top. So you still have access to all your connection. Then all you have to do is to put that in. It seems to be like that. And that's it. And you have a screen that you can put on the table. Pretty cool. Then you have the control of the screen, which is this thing, very small. With the controller in here. So let's try to put it correctly. Oops. With my big fingers. Okay, now good. And do the same over there. Okay, I'm not sure how they expect us to put it. Just in the back. There's something to clips in the back. I'm not sure that's for it. The only thing I see is to use the Velcro. Is that it? Yes. Let's put that in place. Perfect size. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And voila, but so just put it wherever makes sense. If I say so. That's what I'm gonna do. Done. So next, grab the short HDMI cable. Explain what it is. So maybe that would be better than the big one I have here. Yeah, this one is way smaller, so it's gonna fit with the Raspberry Pi. Although it's very, very short. Oh yeah, that's way too short. Oh, it goes on the back, okay, like that. So technically I could even put the Raspberry Pi there. Maybe that's what the clips I was talking about is for. Let me try. Yes, it just clips in there. And the cable is long enough. Great. Should put the cable on top or under. Let's put it under. Do you see what I'm doing at least? Alright, so you don't really see my face anymore, but you should see a bit more what I'm doing here. I think that would be much better. But that's the results at the moment. But at least, yeah, you can see a bit more. So I managed to put the module here. And the HDMI cable I was talking about, so that I put under this ribbon cable. Okay, what do we have next? Here we just say connect this to that. We have this cable that is made to connect both the screen and the Raspberry Pi. So the extra pack, the screen kit, is really made to be able to use the computer system completely with it. So that's great. So let's connect the power. 1 and 2. There we go. So we have that. I'm gonna connect this to a power source somewhere. I hear some noise. I see something written on screen. Although the screen looked like it was upside down. We have some sound. So we have a keyboard here. So the keyboard, very small, comes on the back with a USB cable, very small too. And wow, and a small USB thingy that doesn't connect to anywhere. I'm not wondering what it is. Maybe for Bluetooth. Oh yeah, it says here the cable is for charge only. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'm guessing the keyboard is in fact Bluetooth. Let me double check. Yes, exactly. So in the box, where is the USB? It's over there. Boom. Okay, so here how I'm gonna deal with it, I'm just gonna put the screen down like that. I think that was maybe the way to use it. I didn't see anything special in the book so far, but since they were recommending to put some stuff on the bottom, I'm guessing it is possible to change orientation. There is a on-screen configuration system, but I didn't play with it yet. So let's make sure I can connect the keyboard. Because I'm not sure, maybe the keyboard doesn't have power at the moment. Although there is a button for power. Yes. Haha. No. And I can write. So I'm gonna try to... No, you cannot see anything on the screen. So it's asking what's my name. So I'm just gonna write Mickey. Enter. Nice to meet you, Mickey. Did you know your new computer brain is made of millions of electric switches? Press enter to see what it can do. So it's explaining you how the screen is working. It can do words, music, pictures, everything it's stored. How does computer secret passwords? It's coded. And so on. So he asked me to put a password now. I'm gonna type just QWERTY for now. Oh, he asked me to type Kano. Okay. And you have a bunny running on screen. Cool. It's really, oh wow, it's really explain you exactly how to use a computer. Like CD, go to CD rabbit hole to follow the rabbit. And you have there was a matrix kind of animation. I don't know if you could catch that. And now you have this kind of game. So I can move a character in there and go up. It's kind of forest. I'm gonna continue to go up. And we have this kind of Zelda-ish screen. If I can avoid the reflection, but yeah, it's in there. Okay, we have some sound.
Guys, this is Mickey from the future. Sadly, this part has no sound. I don't know what happened, but yeah, the recording kind of fell on me on this part. But basically, what happening next here, I'm just navigating through the menu of the system, looking at what the OS can offer. There was like a couple of different games. I do remember there was Minecraft in there and other kind of things. It's, again, that's mainly for programming. To learn programming. So even Minecraft, you if you had a look, if you go to their website, you will see that you can basically put the action in some kind of language learning, so you don't really play Minecraft, you do just set the action of you want the player to do, and that's basically it. But I thought it was pretty cool to include something like a common game, a game that is popular, to be able to understand how all this system works. Very, very, very nice. Again, I think it's a great system for kids, for them to learn how a computer works, how to learn how to program. That was very, very nice. I'm probably gonna refurbish that system to have a more like a retro gaming station, but that's my personal choice. Anyway, the SD card that's with it, I'm gonna keep it so I can just swap the SD card to put it back if I really want to. That was really good. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did. See you next time. and stay connected. Bye bye.